Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you're watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, in Sophos XDR series under Sophos Server Protection, today we are going to configure and test Sophos file integrity monitoring policies. This is very useful guys. Okay, in short, this particular feature will give the very granular visibility on the files or folder registry path which is running on your machine. So how exactly it can help? Okay, so that's what we are going to learn in this particular video. So let's go to the policies, and so far we have covered all the above policies. Now this is the policy file integrity monitoring which we are going to explore in this particular video. So what you will have to do, basically, let me open this policy. You can either use the same default policy or you can just make a clone. The reason I never suggest to make use default policy is just because it's get applied to all the systems. Okay, so let's create a clone of this policy, and here we'll give a name like FIM in short. Okay, let's click on continue, and here we go guys, our policy has been created. Now let me assign one single host, or you can assign group as well if you have created groups, or if you have pre-configured group from the AD. So whatever the suits best, you can use that. Now after that, let's activate the policy because currently it's in deactivate state, and click on settings because all the configuration which we have to do, that is from here only. Okay, so let's enable the user use file integrity monitoring, this feature, because without that there is no use of this particular policy. And in this particular we don't have much option guys. Okay, so we very first we'll understand what are the things by default monitored by Sophos. So for that we have to click on this link to understand what are those things, or what are those paths, services, or registry. So you will get a better idea while configuring the policy. Okay, so what it says, Sophos file integrity monitoring, what are the default monitored paths. So when you scroll down, you will see here are the topics, but these are the Windows files which is get monitored. This is the registry path, then system services, driver configuration paths. So all the things are visible here. Okay, so if you want to monitor any additional things, then just make sure that particular the path, registry, service, whatever it is, it should not be any of this, because this is already been monitored, right? Now let's go to the second link, that is monitor events will be stored in Sophos folder, which means all the things which is monitored by this particular module FIM, those events will be stored on local server and not the Sophos server. Okay, Sophos Central. So let's click on this particular event and understand what are the basic things which you have to do, because I just try to make the things simple so that you guys will understand this particular module properly. So these are the supported operating systems and blah blah. Okay, so guys, here are the main thing. Okay, so when you enable the Sophos monitoring, and when the event will get generated, okay, so all the this particular things detection will be available, or monitored alert will be available into this particular path. Okay, under program data Sophos FIM export. So let me just show you guys, if in case if you want. So if I go to this PC program files, okay, I just have to make it so that we all be able to see that. Program data Sophos FIM exports. So here are the they are saying everything will be available. Now it doesn't update in real time, so it's update every 15 minutes. Okay, so let's say you just violated one of the policy which is in monitoring, and if you think that okay, the event will be available quickly, so no, you have to wait every 15 minutes, because it's a refresh time, and one file may contain multiple events. But I'll suggest, if you have SIM available in your environment, then please use this particular command. Okay, so that what it will do, it will transfer all the logs which is detected by Sophos component to event your folders, okay, which you can pull from your SIM. And how exactly this command you have to run? Then let me just open administrator CMD, run as an administrator, and here you just have to simply paste this command, that's it, and click on enter. It's successfully run. Yeah, once this successfully run, then if you again try to run the same command, it won't. See, only values would be added. And what it says, is already been added because we have already run this command. If you want to update the previous settings, uninstall the manifest first. Okay, so how exactly you can do the uninstallation? So for uninstallation also they have given the command. So let me just go add the same command, and here if you see, instead of I, okay, we just have to make it U. Okay, and it will get uninstall. See, this command has been successful. And from where I have got this, so if you scroll down, you will get to know here is the uninstallation command. So only instead of I, you have to make it here as a U. And then later on you can delete this particular path, okay, from the this event your location, because this, since if you are running this command, which means you are disabling the logging which you have forwarded earlier using the I command, right? But and once this is done, then just for the sake of safer side, you can just run this, delete this file as well, and that's it. This is how you will be able to do a configuration. Okay, now let me close this. Okay, and here how exactly you can enable the logging? So file, folder, registry values, a couple of things are available. So let me just try to add one of the files. So here, whether let's say you want to put monitoring into the for the file. So let's me try to copy one of the file path here. So let's say system, and let's go to the 32, then drivers, etc host. So okay, I just want to add the monitoring per host file. So I'll just copy the path here, /host. That's it guys, and click on add, and it has gone successfully added. Similarly, you can add file, folder, and whatever you want guys. Okay, once that is done, click on save and update the policy on your, also it will get automatically updated. And once the you violate the policy, the alert will get generated, and those you can use it, or you can forward it to SIM, so that the monitoring team will be able to monitor if the servers are critical. So that much of easy it is guys. So hope you have found this video useful. If so, please click on the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. And guys, we won't be touching configuring this Linux runtime detection policy, because if I go to the base policy, and here if you want to create the profiles or anything, then it's again redirecting us to this cloud native security. Okay, let me just try to show you. So right now no profiles has been selected, right? So let me click on here, and as you could see, it's redirecting us to cloud native security profiles, and here we need to create the profiles. Okay, what are the things you want to allow, block, and so on. So we'll not touch this right now, but if you are interested, then please let me know. And in next video we'll try to cover our message relay part. Okay, so because that is also very important when the systems do not communicate directly with the internet. So message relay plays very critical role, and that's what we are going to cover. So yeah, that's it in this video. This is Sohan, sign out. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.